Hey guys, Joel here with a quick little tip. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Shortcuts app. Then you're going to want to go to the Automation tab. Then you're going to hit the plus sign. You're going to hit Create Personal Automation. And you're going to go down to where it says Charger. Tap on Charger. Make sure it says is connected um, and not is disconnected. So hit Next. Hit Add Action. Then you're going to want to then you want to type in Speak. Now, then you'll see speak text right here. Tap on it and type in whatever you want to say. I'm going to choose ultimate power as my sentence whenever I charge the phone. So hit next and then make sure ask before running is disabled and hit don't ask. Make sure to do that. Otherwise, your victim will find out how you've been pranking them. So now you're hit done. So whenever the victim charges their phone, it's going to say whatever you put. And
Ultimate
voila.
power.